You may be wondering what the current Australia visa processing time for migrants and students is in May 2024 if you intend to visit Australia or if you intend to apply for an Australia visa. The type of Australia visa you are requesting, the thoroughness of your application, and the demand for visas in your category will all determine the processing time. Processing times may fluctuate from time to time in 2024 due to shifting international conditions and immigration legislation. In this video, we will provide an overview of the Australia visa processing times in May 2024 for some of the most popular visa categories in Australia, based on the latest information from the Department of Home Affairs. We will also highlight some reasons for variations in Australia visa processing times in May 2024. Average processing times for key visas in May 2024. The most realistic approach to illustrate how long it takes for most visa applications to be approved is to include the average processing timeframes for major visa categories. Within these categories, the length of time it takes to process a particular visa varies, and in certain situations, the completion of the visa may take longer. Australia Temporary Resident Visas. The current average processing time for the subclass 482 visa is 6 days for the nomination stream, 25 days for the medium-term stream, 6 days for sponsorship stream, and 23 days for short-term stream. The current average processing time for the 485 temporary graduate visa is 6 months for graduate work stream and 57 days for post-study work stream. The 408 temporary activity visa has an average processing time of 23 days for research activities and 14 days for sporting activities. For the subclass 500 student visa, the average processing time is 41 days for the higher education sector and 4 months for vocational education and training sector. Tourist visas have an average processing time of 8 days, while it is currently 6 days for a business visitor. Australia Permanent Residence Visas. The Australian government is focusing on reducing processing times for all permanent visas, as both new and older existing applications are being finalized. Processing times may change each month, and monthly variations may continue as older applications are being processed in the permanent visa program. The 191 Skilled Regional Provisional Visa presently has an average processing time of 3 months, while it is 12 months for the 190 Skilled Nominated Visa. The 189 Points Tested Visa has an average processing time of 63 days, while the Partner Visa has a median processing time of 13 months. These processing times do not include applications affected by Ministerial Direction 80 in order to provide a realistic processing timeframe for both newly submitted and previously submitted applications. Applicants affected by the amended ministerial direction have been contacted by the Department of Home Affairs, and they are now being processed. Variations in Australia visa processing times. The Department of Home Affairs assess applications on a case-by-case basis, and processing times can vary for a range of reasons, including 1. Whether you have submitted an application with all necessary supporting documents by using the checklists available at IMI account to make sure you attach all required documents. 2. Whether you submitted your application online or on paper, as online applications expedite the processing time. 3. How fast you reply to requests for more details and how long it takes the Department of Home Affairs to carry out the necessary checks. 4. The length of time it takes to get information from outside sources, especially when it comes to national security, character, and health criteria. 5. The number of spots available for applications for permanent visas under the migration program. Processing times are also impacted by cases that are complex, changes to the volume of applications, and changes to ministerial directions. The information provided is a guide which is based on the current published visa processing times and is a tool to help you understand how long a visa typically takes to process in May 2024. That will be all in this video. Please share your opinions with us in the comments area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell to receive updates on job and immigration news. Thanks for watching. Good luck!